Deep snowbanks, whipping wind, they're used to getting hammered by lake effect in Oswego County. As News Channel 9's Victoria Kellogg found out, some businesses actually pick up when the snow falls.
On nights like this, people tend to make the same call. They stay home and order in.
People come around here from all around saying, oh, we came by to fish. We came specifically also to get pizza here as well. We always come to Paulanjo's.
In the back kitchen, it's nonstop. Pizza's coming out of the oven, being sliced, boxed, and ready to be shipped out.
A lot of people like to get deliveries when it's snowing really bad out. So a lot of my drivers are on the road during the bad weather. On the bright side is people do tend to tip a bit better during these times.
Right here is a snapshot of a busy night. Orders are pouring in and their drivers are stretched thin, and conditions are only getting worse.
Very, very high winds, so we noticed a lot of trees that are falling down and power lines going out, so power has been kind of flickering a bit.
For now, Jared will keep collecting orders, but if things don't get better, he might have to pull the line.
As long as it doesn't start snowing harder and the wind gets harder, we should be okay. We'll probably keep delivering for the rest of the night, but if it does pick up, we will have to pull them off.
Just a slice of life during the height of a storm. In Pulaski, Victoria Kellogg, News Channel 9.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.